If you want to close deals faster, using chat features can be a game changer. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use chat features to accelerate your deal closing process and how you can leverage them to make your sales process smoother and more efficient. The first step is understanding why chat features work so well. They allow you to engage with potential clients in real time, answer questions instantly, and address concerns before they get the chance to walk away. This is crucial because the faster you respond, the more likely you are to make that sale. Now, the key here is automation. With the right software, you can set up chatbots to respond to common questions, qualify leads, and gather information without you having to be there 24/7. Imagine this. While you're doing other important tasks, your chatbot can be collecting customer information, qualifying leads, and even setting appointments for you. By the time you check in, you've already got a potential lead that's more likely to convert. When using these chat features, always ensure that the human touch is maintained. If a customer wants to talk to a person, make sure they can easily transition from the bot to you or your team. There's no better way to build trust with potential clients than providing them with personalized responses when they need them. And don't forget to follow up. Chat features are a great way to nurture leads and keep the conversation going. Another key benefit of chat features is the ability to send multimedia, such as videos, images, or product demos, directly in the chat. This can speed up decision-making because your prospects can see exactly what you're offering without having to leave the conversation to search for more info. Quick access to content increases your chances of sealing the deal on the spot. The software we're using today, which is linked below, offers features like live chat, automated responses, and even integrations with other tools you might already be using. All of this combines to create a seamless experience for both you and your clients, helping to close deals faster than ever before. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I get started? It's simple. You can access an exclusive free trial of this software just for viewers of my channel, so you can test out everything I've just mentioned and see how it can work for you. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Check the description below to get started. Here's the key takeaway. Using chat features effectively is all about automation, personalization, and speed. Automate the easy tasks with chatbots, but make sure to stay involved with personalized follow-ups when needed. Share multimedia content to help prospects make quicker decisions and always be available when they need you. To quickly recap, automate with chatbots, keep a personal touch, use multimedia, and always follow up. With the right approach and tools, you'll be closing deals faster than ever before. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's the perfect way to test out everything you've learned here today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.